Jake, you're going to that basket, you're scoring on that basket.
Blue this way, white this way.
Come on, under control.
Good shot, good shot.
Hands up.
Noah, hands up, Noah. Noah, get back to the foul line. What are you doing? Arms up, Noah.
Jake, too close, Jake. Jake, too close. Wait, watch your side. Jake.
Gotta pick. Shoot.
Hey, he can't just fall back. No, hands up. Watch the ball.
Call off the screens.
Watch the ball, Blake.
Call off the screens.
And don't let me pass you, Blake. Jake, you stay on top. Hold on to it, Jacob.
Screen, Noah. Set it up. Good screen. Cut.
Anticipate the picks and the passing. Anticipate. Blake, why? Pinky, Jake. Pinky, Jake. Get it, Noah. Hold on to it, Noah. Work it out, Noah.
Cut, Noah. Cut.
Stay with him, stay with him.
Jake, work it around.
Jake, pass the ball.
Pass it around. What is Max? Hold on, Jacob. Jake, Pinky's open.
Noah, move. Cut, Noah. Cut. Go to the board.
Play smart, Jacob. Be smart with an open man. Work it out. Work it out. Work it around. Work it around. God. Get up. Check back.
1, 2, 3, 23, and 32. Go, go. We got you. I got you. Okay.
No, you're in the wrong spot. Let's go. Keep your head up. Come on.
Pass the ball around, Jake.
Jake, there's 3 guys on you. Watch, there's 3 guys.
Cut, Noah. Cut. Cut to the hoop.
Work it out.
All right, Max. Get back. Get back.
Get back. Stop the ball. Hold on.
Screen for his man. Let's go. Pick his man. Pick. Jake, Noah, move around.
Drive and dish.
You stop, you stop. Hands up. You stop.
Take it. Take it. Anticipate the pass.
Hold the ball.
Let go. Untouch. Untouch.
Hold on.
Slow it. Tommy, right out to the wing, Tommy.
Get out of the middle. Get out of the middle.
Get back.
Come on, five.
Get back in your zone, Noah. Get in your zone. Box out, box out, box out, box out.
Hold on. Hold on.
Don't let him go right down the middle. Let's go.
Passing lane, Shea. Passing lane. Passing lane. Passing lane.
Arms up, arms up, arms up.
Oh. Come on, Jake. Fight for it.
Noah, get your arms up.
Stop the ball.
All right.
Give it to Jake. Give it to Jake.
Give it up. Seconds.
Is it just a balloon?
I don't know.
Okay.
It just
Who is shooter? Noah, right for the shooter.
All right.
Court, in position. In position.
Right for the shooter.
Take your time. Take your time.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Your gut, okay, on every play, right?
Yeah.
Be smart. Okay? I don't really care. All I care about is you. I don't care about your defense. Just stay in front of your man and don't pick up a foul. I want your rebounding, your passing, your shooting. Be smart. I don't care about your defense other than just good position. Don't reach, don't put your hands up.
Should I draw the charge on number one?
No, because you got 2 fouls. Just play regular, smart basketball. We are leading by 13. If we play smart and we don't get rattled, we should bring this home. Let's go! Ref, don't they know to fall back? It's the last game of the season. Let's go!
What do you think, Tim?
Just slow down. Thanks for going slow. That stuff. See ya. 3 seconds. Let's check in. Let's go.
That's one.
Let's check in. Let's go.
That's one. One.
2 at the top. The 2 at the bottom. The 2 at the top. That's one. If I yell switch back. Or just
Or do you want the PG?
Work it around. Work it
Cut,
around.
Noah, move.
Work it around.
Get out of the lane, Noah. I'm good.
I'll tell you if he's a pro.
Take time.
Hands up!
Cut, Noah, move. Move. Get the rebound, Noah.
In.
Set a pick. Good pick. All right. That's what I'm talking about.
No, stop, Noah. Stop, Noah. Watch up. Right up. Outside, Tommy. Outside. 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 Out.
Stay with him!
Jake, not a good shot. In Noah. Yes.
Yes. All right. He scores. 2010 registers. Tufty, get your arms up. Get those arms up. Get your arms up, Noah. Noah, get your arms up on D. Noah, set a screen, Noah. Noah, set a screen. Set a screen.
Jake, play the clock.
Set the screen, Noah. Set it.
Go, go, go! Push, push, push!
Time out. Play smart. Play the clock.
Blue Devil!
All right, come on, Blue Devils.
Play smart. Watch for beat. Keep working on beat. Jake, passing game. Jake, passing game. Jake, up.
Set a screen. Who's setting screens?
Play the clock. Play the clock.
Pass the ball. Pass the ball.
That's it. I'm coaching with Blue Devils next time.
I am.
I call a timeout to say play the clock.